Hi guys, this is the story of my 91 BMW E31 850 Ci. Since I reached a milestone, I thought I would summarize where I am now and what is still waiting for me with this project LazerHawk. I would like to introduce myself, a few words about me. My name is Stefan, I live in Slovakia in Central Europe. It's important to understand the story that I'm not a car mechanic. I work as a wedding photographer and in IT. As I like challenges and cars, I thought I would try to restore a car from the 80s or 90s. I looked at several cars, Porsche 944, Honda Prelude. Of course, I was aware Lamborghini Countach or Ferrari Testarossa wouldn't be possible because they are too expensive for me. I definitely wanted a sporty car with pop-up headlights for the synthwave feeling. I searched on the internet, asked my friends. Finally, a good friend told me that his brother, who lives in France, has a 91 BMW 850 Ci which has been parked for 11 years. As he didn't have the time to restore it because of his job. 5 liters and 12 cylinders and the timeless shape, it's a beautiful car. I got excited right away and we agreed on the deal after a few phone calls. Great, but where would I do the restoration? I didn't have even a garage yet. You can see the garage building here. In the first part, we went to France for the car with my neighbor and my friend. We met the seller, Jolt, who was very nice and cool. And in the following parts, the restoration began. Of course, there were a few obstacles like the broken chain guide and so on. But I must say, I enjoyed working on the car. I watched a lot of videos on YouTube and read forums to learn how to do things. I tried to include a few funny jokes in my videos. In part 7 we had the first start and I never thought that it would start right away. And finally, after the technical inspection, I got the license plates. Of course, there will still be a lot of work to do. The car still smokes. At the end of this video you can see why it smokes. There will be plenty more content, suspension, exhaust system, the heating is constantly on the driver's side, the brake hardness after 15 minutes. I think it's the brake master cylinder, which I already taken apart. Okay, and something about the channel. And why is the channel called Synthwave Garage? I like the synthwave music style. Synthwave is a musical style of electronic music emerged in the early 2000s, influenced by the video games and the movie soundtracks of the 80s. The best action movies was made in the 80s and the 90s. One of my favorite synthwave artists is LazerHawk. That's why the car got this name. Link in the description. I bought a cheap endoscope camera. The 6-cylinder looks pretty bad, so I went to Munich and bought a used M70 engine. I have never rebuilt any engine. I'm going to start with the V12, so there will be plenty of content to come. Last but not least, I would like to thank everyone for their help, you for the views and the comments, and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.